For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Hey everyone! Today I'm super excited to show you the KitchenAid KP26M1XNP. If you love baking bread, cakes, or whipped cream like I do, this mixer might just become your new kitchen best friend. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly why it's worth every penny. First off, let's talk specs. This is an all-metal, 10-speed stand mixer powered by a 575-watt motor, so it's strong enough to handle even thick bread dough without slowing down. It comes with a 6-quart stainless steel bowl with a comfortable handle, perfect for large batches. I baked bread with it last weekend and could easily make over 8 loaves at once, which was a game changer for my family brunch. It also includes the classic attachments, the Power Knead spiral dough hook, flat beater, and wire whip, plus a pouring shield. The bowl lift design makes it really stable when mixing heavy dough, and the hinged hub cover keeps everything clean. Using it is simple. I usually start by adding my ingredients to the bowl, attach the right tool, for bread it's the dough hook, and set one of the 10 speeds depending on what I'm making. The mixer handles everything smoothly, whether I'm whipping egg whites for a cake or kneading pizza dough. One tip, always start on a lower speed to avoid splatter, then increase gradually. This keeps your kitchen mess free. I also love experimenting with different attachments. I tried making fresh pasta using one of the optional attachments, and it worked beautifully, super consistent and quick. Another bonus is the multi-purpose attachment hub, which lets you add over 15 optional attachments. From spiralizers to meat grinders, this mixer can truly replace several kitchen appliances. And with over 10 colors available, you can pick one that fits your kitchen style perfectly. Overall, I highly recommend the KitchenAid KP26M1XNP for anyone serious about baking or cooking. Durable, versatile, and backed by a 1-year warranty, it's built to last. If you want a reliable mixer that can handle everything from bread to whipped cream, I highly recommend checking it out through the link below. Trust me, it's worth it for every home chef.